In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in Asana Projects. By the end, you'll know how to sign in, open the right project, set the correct access level for teammates, invite them, and assign tasks so work moves smoothly. Start by heading to the Asana login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This uses your Google account for a quick, secure login. When prompted, select your Google account to proceed. If your organization uses a different sign-in method, just follow your usual login flow so you land in Asana. Once you're in, open the project where you want to collaborate. This is the project you'll share with teammates so they can view, comment on, or edit tasks with you. Inside the project, look for the Share button, typically at the top right of the project header, and click it to open the sharing panel. In the sharing panel, you'll see a permission label, often set to editor by default. Click that label to open the access dropdown. Here's what each option means so you can choose wisely. Project Admin gives someone full control over the project, including managing members, settings, and advanced changes. It's powerful, so reserve it for people who need to steer the project. Editor allows teammates to create, edit, and move tasks. Great for core contributors doing day-to-day work. Commenter can't change task details but can leave comments and attachments. Ideal for stakeholders who give feedback without altering plans. Viewer provides read-only access, perfect for people who just need visibility. Select the level that matches each person's responsibilities, leaning toward the minimum access needed for clarity and control. Now invite your teammates. Click into the invite field, type the email address of the person you want to add, and double-check you've used the correct address. Then click invite. They'll receive an invitation to join the project with the permission you selected. After they accept the invite, head back to the projects list to start collaborating. You can now assign work directly to your new collaborator. Open a task or locate it in the list, click the assignee field, and select their name or email from the dropdown. Assigning tasks ensures ownership is clear and notifications go to the right person, keeping everyone aligned. That's it. You logged in, opened your project, set precise permissions, invited the right people, and assigned tasks to kick off collaboration. Use admin access sparingly, editor for active contributors, commenter for feedback, and viewer for visibility. With the right roles and clear assignments, your Asana project will stay organized and moving forward.